Have you ever wondered how solid glass is born? It starts as a glowing liquid. At over 1500 degrees, raw silica melts and is sliced into exact portions. These glowing fireballs, called gobs, free fall straight into blank molds. Compressed air blasts them at higher speed, instantly forcing the glass against the walls. In less than a second, perfect bottle takes its final shape. But they are still dangerously hot. They enter a long cooling tunnel called lehr, slowly cooling to prevent shattering. Finally, high-speed lasers inspect every inch for the microscopic cracks. The perfect ones are swept onto pallets, ready to be shipped worldwide. From molten fire to the bottle, in your fridge, all in a matter of hours. Subscribe and follow to see what we manufacture next.